Good morning, everyone. Yes, all of you are ready with your study material. If suppose you all are ready, then type capital X in chat box. Yes. Good morning, everyone. If suppose you all are ready with your study material, then type capital Y in chat box. Yes. Type capital Y in chat box.
Good morning, teacher.
Everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning,
teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Happy Navratri. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, teacher. Happy Navratri, teacher.
Teacher.
Sit, everyone.
Morning, teacher.
Happy Navratri,
teacher.
Happy Navratri,
Good
teacher.
morning.
Good morning, Slok.
Mummy. Great.
Good morning to everyone.
Yes, now 44 is there, 10:44. So tell me in last lecture what we learned. About last lecture, what we learned. Anyone have idea? Anyone is remember which concept, which topic we learned in last lecture? Last Friday, because yesterday our holiday is there. Yes. Then say capital Y. Capital Y. Time also over. After that, calendar also over. Okay. So send capital Y in chat box. What you want to send? Capital Y in chat box. Yes. Another student, please respond in chat box. Very good. So now students, we will move back again. That means we are not going to proceed our next lesson, new portion. Whatever lectures are over, on above that all lectures we are going to continue, we are going to practice. Okay, student? Clear everyone? Wait a second. Okay. Now students, listen it. We learn in last lecture, that is the calendar and measuring time. Okay. Yes, my voice is breaking. I am facing the network issue. Okay. Five 16,675 are subabul trees. Okay, two type of trees are there. That is first one, tick trees. How many are there? 23,479. And subabul trees, how many are there? 16,675. So next question is what? How many other trees are there in the forest? How many other trees are there in the forest? So first of all, you want to do the addition of which number? 23,479, because this is the tick trees. I'm going to show you the whiteboard. Okay now. And first of all, I'm going to write the 23,479. This all are the tick trees. 16,675. This all are the subabul tree. Okay. So now I'm going to share you the whiteboard, and our total how many trees are there? 42,306. I am also writing in one book from my side. You all are also write down in your notebook. Okay, now I am going to share you the whiteboard, student, and we will write on whiteboard. Okay, so tick trees. How many tick trees are there? That is 23. Wait a second, student. 23,479. And plus subabul trees, how many? 16,675. So now you want to do the addition. Understood? These two trees are there. Two type of trees are there. So you want to do the addition. What you will do? Addition. Okay, so do addition. 9 plus 5. Give me answer in chat box. 9 plus 5, how many? 14. Very good. So 1 is carry, 4 is downside. Now 7 plus 7. Again 40, and 1 carry you want to add. That is 15. Again 1 is carry, 5 is in downside. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus carry 1, 11. 1 is here. 1 is downside. Again 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 is here, 0 is here. 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus carry 1, 4. So total, how many? Both trees are there. 14,150. This is the which tree? Subabul tree and tick trees. Okay, this is the total of these two trees. Now first question I am going to, first statement is there in your sum. How many total trees are there in forest? Anyone is remember? 42,306. Yes or no? Wait, I am going to share you the image again. Wait a second. That means you will understand. Student, wait a second. Again, I am going to show you that sum. Watch it properly, listen it properly. See, there are how many total trees are there in a forest? 42,306. Yes. And these two trees, you want to do the addition. 16,675 plus 23,479. What is the addition? Tell me what is the total? These two trees, now only we are adding on whiteboard. Yes or no? The total is 14,154. So now tell me what you will do. You want to find out how many trees, other trees are there in the forest. So what you will do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. And in which both number you want to do the subtraction? Tell me. Total, how many forests are there? How many trees are there in a forest? And the two trees total. Yes or no? So again, I'm going to share you the whiteboard. My whiteboard is there in front of you, student. Yes, look at here. our there are how many total trees are there? How many total trees are there? Yes, very good. Some students are given the very nice answer. 42,306. 42,306 minus. Which minus sign will come? Yes, tell me which minus sign will come. 40,154. Understood? Yes or no? Understood? Why we took this two number? Because first one digit is our total number of trees in a forest, and after that we want to minus the both trees, that is a teak trees and subabul tree. Okay, so we will get our answer. Now do the subtraction. Now do the subtraction. Yes. 6 minus 4. 2. Understood? Yes, tell me 0 minus 4 it is not possible. So what you will do? Take one carry. So here 10 will come. What will come? 10. And remaining on the top side of 3, what is the remaining? 2. Understood? So 10 minus 5. 5. 2 minus 1. 1. 2 minus 0. 2. And 4 minus 4. 0. 4 minus 4. 0. So understood till here everyone how to solve the mixed problem? Yes? Everyone understood how to solve the mixed problem. That means addition plus subtraction. It is not compulsory if all problem first you want to do the addition, after that you want to do the subtraction. That is not compulsory. You want to read the sum properly. Understood? Yes? Clear everyone how to solve the mixed problem? Give me response in chat box. Everyone clear how to solve the mixed problems? Now I am going to ask you again one problem, and that all answers I want from you. Okay? I am going to write on whiteboard, but you want to give the answer. Yes? We will see the next sum. I am going to share the same image again because in this image sums are there. Everyone look at here. Downside. This is the exercise. Okay? Which I am going to highlight the yellow color. Look at the first sum, that is Rohan spent 27. Now you want to tell me, okay, what I want to do. Because I don't know. I'm going to ask you. Okay, first problem I'm going to solve you, and now second one is I'm giving to you. So I want the instruction from you. After that I will do on whiteboard. And yourself also you want to solve in your notebook. Ready everyone? Okay. Now Rohan spent 27,658 for purchasing computer. Rohan, how much rupees spent on purchasing computer? Yes, tell me. 27,658. Rohan, how much amount spent for purchasing the computer? 27,658. Next statement, read it. And rupees 16,478. 16,478 on a printer. Printer also related to computer. Yes or no? Yes. Printer expenses and computer expenses. This total, these both are the same or different? Same. Okay. This is the part of computer. Printer is also the part of computer. So we want to add together these two amount. We want to add together these two amount. Which one? First one is Rohan spent 27,658 plus, because 27,658 is your purchasing computer and 16,478 is your printer and scanner. Okay, the amount of printer and scanner. Understood? Yes or no? Give me response in chat box. Another students are not responding. What I'm going to do? Look at here. Rohan, how much rupees spent on purchasing computer? That is 27,658. And after that, same related to the computer, printer and scanner, you know already. These two parts are related to the computers. So that much expenses, whatever spending on printer and scanner, this amount also you want to add. So 27,658 plus 16,478 you want to add together. Okay. So now my next statement is packing and transporting the goods cost extra. Rohan spent a total of rupees 47,000. How much Rohan spent? 47,000. So how much did he spend on packing and transport? We want to find out the expenses of packing and transport. So first of all, what is the given information? Purchasing computer and printer and scanner amount, it is already given to you. And total how much amount he is spent on the all work, that is 47,000. And you want to find out the packing and transport expenses. How much spent on packing and transport? So tell me what you will do first. What you will do first. Don't give the full answer. I am going to share you the whiteboard. This all information everyone is written in your notebook, I hope. Okay, because after that I'm not going to show you again this slide, because I'm going to share you the whiteboard now. We are going to solve this sum. Yes, tell me what to do first. Computers purchasing amount and printer scanner amount we want to add. Yes or no? So what is the amount? Computer purchasing 27,658 plus printer and scanner amount 16,478. So you want to add together this both digit. 8 plus 8, 16. 5 plus 7. Yes, you have to write this sum in your notebook. And after that, when I'm asking you at that time, tell me the answer. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 is downside, 1 is carry. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So again 1 is carry, 1 is down. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Again 1 is carry, 4 is in downside. 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4, 4. So what is your answer? We will do first addition and then subtraction. Very nice students. Very good. So your correct answer is what? What is the addition answer? 44,136. What is the correct answer? 44,136. Now we want to do the what? Addition or subtraction? Yes, tell me. Now we want to do the subtraction. So I am going to erase this all. Wait a second, student. I am going to erase this all. Now we will do the subtraction. Okay. So our total, how much amount spent on computer, Rohan? 47,000. Total, how much amount is there? 47,000. So you want to minus from 47,000, 44,136. 44,136. So tell me 0 minus 6 it is possible? Yes. 0 minus 6 it is possible? No. So you want to write here 0. Again 0 minus 3 it is not possible. Again 0 minus 1 it is not possible. So understood what to do now? From 7 you want to take 1 here. Remaining is what? 6. You want to write top side. 10 minus 1 because 1 is carry over here. So again remaining 9. Again 10 minus 1. 1 is going to there in a 1's column. So again in 10's column 9 is there. So tell me 10 minus 6. 4. Very good. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3. That is 6. Very nice. Again 9 minus 1, 8. Again 9 minus 1, 8. Again 6 minus 4, 2. Very good. And the 4 plus 4 minus 4. Yes, 4 minus 4. Very good. 4 minus 4, your answer is 0. So now I'm going to write. No one is typing message in chat box. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay. And 4 minus 4, 0. So your correct answer is 2864. 2864. So everyone clear the sum. How to solve the mixed problem? How to solve the mixed problem? Everyone cleared? If suppose you all are cleared, then type capital O in chat box. Capital O in chat box. If suppose you all are clear, then type capital X in chat box. Capital X. Sorry, capital O. Which letter I am going to ask you? Capital O. Yes? Okay. So now my next question. Now I am not going to solve any statement, any method. And I'm not given to you the hint also, okay? I'm going to share you the again same image. Second problem is there. You want to solve from your side and tell me the answer. When I'm going to ask you at that time, not now. Don't send the all answers same time, okay? Now I'm going to highlight the red color. You want to solve this sum fast in your notebook. I given you the time. And when I am asking you the answers at that time, send your answers in chat box. Okay. So in a nursery, there were 32,000. I'm going to read the sum. Okay. I'm not going to solve. In a nursery, there were 32,140 saplings. How many? 32,140 saplings. 12,789 were mango saplings. Yes. Watch it properly. Listen it properly. What I'm going to explaining you. How many saplings are there total? In a nursery, there are 32,140. Okay. And mangoes, how many are there? In nursery, there were 32,140 saplings. After that, see, look at here. How many mango saplings are there? 12,789. Yes, students, now clear, which I am going to highlight with red color. 12,789. This is the mango saplings. Okay. Now next. So, 10,423. 10,423, which I am going to highlight with blue color. This is teak saplings. Okay. Understood? 10,423 were teak saplings. So, how many other saplings were there? How many other saplings were there? So, you want to find out now, first of all. Yes, students. I hope you all are written in your notebook the amount. Yes or no? So, first of all, tell me, addition we want to do or subtraction? Because total saplings, how many are there? 32,140. And two different given, that is mango sapling and teak saplings. So tell me now, which two numbers we want to add? Which two digits we want to add? Now I am going to share you the whiteboard, student. Wait a second. Okay. Yes, look at here. How many saplings are there total? 32,140, correct? After that, a mango saplings, how many? 12,789. And teak sapling, how many teak? 10,420. 3? 10,423. So tell me, what is the addition? How you will be do the addition and tell me what is the answer? Yes, students. Tell me answer. 12,000. No, I'm going to ask you the addition of 12,789 plus 10,423. Do the addition properly. Do the addition properly. First of all, we want to do the addition. And which number is there? Means now I'm going to write here. Wait a second, students. 9 plus 3, 12. That is 2 is downside. 1 is here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. Again 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is your amount. Total saplings. Okay. Teak saplings and mango saplings. Okay. Yes, very good. Now you want to minus. You want to minus the 32, 140 minus 23, 212. Wait, I'm going to show you. Wait a second, student. Now I am going to erase the number 23. Wait a second. Yes. What is the addition will come? 23,212. So now I am going to all erase the blackboard and again I am going to draw the subtraction. Look at here. So total how many saplings are there in a nursery? 32,140. Now you want to do the what? Addition or subtraction, tell me. Yes? Addition and subtraction. What you want to do? Don't send a yes. I want the answer. Good. It's a subtraction. So now your subtraction you want to do. So 23,212. So tell me 10 minus 2. 10 is here because 0 is here. So 4 from 4, 1 is there. So 3 is remaining. 10 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 2. Okay. 1 minus 2 it is not possible. So 11 minus 2, 9. Again 1 is remaining. So 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3. See, from 2, 1 is already given here. So remaining here 1. Okay. From 3, 1 is given to here. So remaining here 2. That means 0 will come. Downside. 2 minus 2, 0. But 11 minus 3, 8. 11 minus 3, 8. Okay. So what is your correct answer? So which you want to find out? 8, 9, 28. Yes. But now which you want to find out? Now again I am going to show you the image. Wait a second. They are asking in sum. You want to find out any one. Wait a second. I am going to show you the image. Yes. Look at here. In front of your image is there. The second sum. Okay. In a nursery, 32,140 saplings are there. 12,789 mango. And 10,423 Arctic saplings. So how many other saplings were there? So 8. What is the answer? 8,928. 8,928 is our other saplings were there in a nursery. Understood? Okay. Very good. Everyone understood how to solve the mixed problem? Yes, students. If suppose you all are understood, then type capital O in chat box again. If suppose you all are clear, then type capital O in chat box again. Capital O in chat box. Capital O. Okay. So now, can I give you one sum? You all are ready to solve it? Okay, tell me first of all, students, it is easy or hard? Tell me. freely and frankly say it is easy or hard. Anyone have doubt? Not understood, teacher, how to solve the mixed problem? Anyone have doubt? Freely and frankly say with me. Anyone have doubt? No, it is so easy. Okay. Okay, if suppose anyone have doubt, then freely and frankly type in chat box, yes teacher, I not understood. Please explain again. I am ready for that. No doubt. Okay, so everyone is ready to solve the sum. Okay, Sanika. Yes, which doubt you have? Sanika. Sanika, I'm going to ask you to the Sanika. Sanika, she having doubt. Okay, Sanika. Suppose the student understood the sum, I'm going to explain you again. Yes. Everyone clear how to solve the mixed problem? So everyone is ready to solve the problem now. Can I give? Okay. So now I'm going to show you the image. In this image, third problem is there and solved in your side. And after that, I'm going to ask you at that time give me the answer. Okay. So now to from your now I'm going to make sitting capacity that is to be 750. If there were
Hello, teacher, you are not audible. Hello, teacher.
no
you
teacher,
have
I'm
not-
facing network problem.
Okay, okay.
Am I audible clear, Sapna teacher now?
Yes, teacher, yes.
Hello?
Yes, teacher, you
Okay.
are.
Okay. Now students, I'm going to share you one image and this sum you want to solve from your side. Okay. I'm going to highlight this sum, that is third one.
Teacher, you are mute. Hello, teacher, you are mute. You are not audible, teacher.